Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barb and you're at Barb Beauty. I was thinking about the Christmas videos I should put up on my channel this year, and this one came to mind. I figured Christmas morning, you know, you're up pretty early. Even if you have younger siblings, you could be up by like 6 in the morning unwrapping gifts, which is like so early, but like that's the situation sometimes. And I know for my family at least, my mom takes non-stop pictures, and then later on in the day you look back at them and she's ready to post them and it's like, girl, no. So I thought I would make a quick little tutorial on a 15-minute glam, 10-minute glam. Moral of the story, this is going to be a Christmas morning, early morning, quick glam photo ready tutorial. So let's just hop right into it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my social media down below, and let's get on with this video. So starting off with face primer, I'm taking the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. This is what it looks like. You know, you're gonna be like half asleep. You want something hydrating that's gonna boost the plumpness of your skin, make you look radiant. For foundation, I'm going to be taking one of my favorite drugstore ones. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. This is the bottle. I wear shade 118. It's weird because I can only find this specific shade at Walmart. It's like not at Ulta, not at Target, just Walmart. So I'm just going to take that on a beauty blender. And I'm going to do a fairly light layer, just because I want kind of a natural look. I don't want to seem too caked up with makeup. Plus, I like to go in with a full coverage concealer. So this really is kind of just like a base to just even out your skin tone. So you can tell I put on a really light layer so it's not too full coverage, just evens out your skin tone, makes you look picture ready. I love it. So for concealer, I am taking Tarte Shape Tape, of course. This is in the shade Light Sand. Now I'm going in with a more full coverage concealer, unlike the foundation, because now I know some people wake up at like 6, 7 o'clock in the morning because they have younger siblings, or that's just what their family does. Luckily, mine is more of a 7, 8, 8:30 person. But I'm still gonna try to go a little bit light-handed with it. Nothing too crazy. So I know we're going for that natural glam look, but honey, under eyes, I'm not a fan. So I'm gonna hit it with that full coverage concealer. To set my under eyes and lightly set my face, I am going in with the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. So I'm very lightly dusting powder on the rest of my face, aside from packing it on, just so your face looks more natural and glowy and less cakey. Moving on to bronzer, I'm taking my favorite one. This is the Marc Jacobs Tantastic Bronzer. This is the perfect mix of a cool tone, warm tone bronzer, and I'm just going to lightly apply it just to add some color and shape back into my face. I'm also going to take a fluffy crease brush and pick up a tiny bit of that bronzer and just run it on my eyelids, just because I don't want to be doing too much eyeshadow. For blush, I'm taking this Flower Beauty Peach Primrose Blush on a Luxie Tapered Highlighting Brush. You can go in with more of a pinkier blush if you're doing like a red lip. peach just suits me better and I like them more, so I'm just gonna lightly apply this, not going too crazy. Because the foundation was so light, your skin is still peeking through, so I don't think you need too much blush. I know I'm kind of jumping all over the place, but I'm gonna head on to brows, and for that I'm gonna take the Anastasia Soft Brown Brow Powder Duo. This is what it looks like. This is my favorite brow powder for when I want to do brow powder. It's not my favorite type of way, but I do feel like it's very soft and quick and easy. So you can tell it was super quick, super easy. They don't look too harsh or defined. They're just lightly filled in and they look soft and pretty and camera ready. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of brow gel. This is the Essence Make Me Brow. This is my favorite brow gel ever, and it's literally $2. Like, not like, oh, it's $2. Oh, it's actually like $6. It's literally $2. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking one eyeshadow. This is the Dose of Colors Friendcation palette with Desi and Katie. I'm going to be taking the shade Just a Kiss. It's, I mean, it is an eyeshadow, but it's more of like just a little glitter topper. If you decide to do this step, you can go in with as much or as little as you want. And you can take any shimmery light eyeshadow. I just really like this one because it's more of that glittery look rather than a full color. I'm going to go in with a little bit of liner, but I'm going to be taking a nude liner. This is a Rimmel one. I don't know the shade. It's in shade nude. So this is perfect because, like, again, you are just waking up. It's probably so early. You don't want to look half asleep, and I'm just going to run this through my waterline to really open up my eyes and make me not look half asleep. I'm gonna apply some mascara. This is the NARS Climax Mascara. I have been really enjoying this. This just gives you really long but still fluffy and wispy lashes, and I love it. For highlight, I'm going in with the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Highlighter in Flexitarian. This is an intense creamy powder highlighter, and I freaking love this. I think it'll look more natural because it's such a creamy product. Like, do you see that? It's not gonna look natural because it's blinding, but it'll sink into your skin and be just so pretty. For lips, I'm going in with a gloss. You can pretty much do whatever you want. Any type of lipstick is going to look great with this look. A nude, a gloss, a bright red. I'm going in with the L'Oreal Lip Dew in the shade... Oh my god, I forgot the shade. This is in a certain shade. The sticker came off, but this is the Camila Cabello collaboration. I don't know what's taking so long for me to say what I gotta say, but it's just the, like, the nude, darky, pinkier one. Because I know there's like a really bronzy one, and then there's a really, like, not shimmer baby pink one. This is like the middle shade, and I freaking love this stuff. It just gives off that perfect, like, gloss look, but still add in some color to your lips, and it really plumps them. So I'm going to apply that. To set and lock everything in and also hydrate my skin, I'm going in with the MAC Fix Plus. Okay guys, there you have it. This is the Christmas morning quick photo ready makeup that you can do in under 20 minutes. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think I look so glowy and awake and fresh, and I think that's all you want to do and look Christmas morning. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my social media down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!